Walking straight down from the Consum, which is up there at Pueblo Bravo. Just follow the road straight down and you'll get to this little gap, little entrance there. Straight through that entrance and just follow the muck road. El Fumarel. Down this track. And we're only 100 metres off the main campo road. It might look like you're not going anywhere, but just follow it down to the left, around there. You get to the viewing point. That's it.